Hello, hello. I wanted to put together a really quick video for you to show you how to do what I call patient satisfaction follow-ups. So they're just quick automatic emails that go out a few hours after your patient or client's first initial appointment. And just ask them basically straight out, how did you enjoy it today? I mean, you can ask a few other questions if you really want to get specific, but I usually like to just throw it out there to them open-ended and see sort of what their first impressions were, initial feedback. And it also shows that you care about making them happy and you care about what they have to say. So I like it and I find it pretty effective. Also just getting some feedback that you can truly be making improvements. So go to the business settings and go to email settings. Then we're going to go to follow-up up top. And it kind of actually has some of the stuff I want. So we do want to send a follow-up email after each appointment. So you're going to send follow-up emails. I'm even saying you can do it, I think, to like 0.01 days, which is 14 minutes, but I like, an hour or two after their appointment. So I would say let's say 0.1 days after their appointment is when it will send. So I'm going to add new template just for, initial consults. You only want it to go out after because you really don't want every time the patient to be getting the same thing. It gets a little bit redundant. So actually this is something I already had in there. So you go in, it's only for the initial consult. It comes kind of pre-populated with this, but I like it. Their first name, how was your appointment? So now in the templates that I gave you, or that I give you, you can use this exactly, or create your own. And you just copy and paste it right in. Thanks for visiting, clinic name or practitioner name, or you can even say, thanks for visiting me today. How was your first appointment with us? I mean, try to keep it consistent, unlike me. If you're, a solo practitioner, you will want to say from me. If you sort of are coming from a larger clinic and this might be coming from your staff, you can say us. But my aim is to make your appointments and time spent with me as easy, effective, and enjoyable as possible. So I'm always looking for ways to improve your experience. Thanks so much and look forward to seeing you again soon. Kate, save template, boom, you are literally done. That's it. So then 0.1 days, an hour and a bit after their appointment, they'll get this email. Once they respond to you, you'll be able to see the feedback, and it really is helpful. You don't have to check it every single time, but once a month or so, or every couple weeks, or even just get your staff on doing it. You can be seeing what people are writing about, and it's also nice because, if they're having any problems and they put it in here, you can be addressing it or making those changes. So I hope you'll find that really helpful.